Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to add audio to your Canva website. This straightforward process will improve your site's interactivity and provide a more engaging experience for your visitors. We will be utilizing the Elfsight Audio Player widget to do this. To start, go to the Elfsight website. Once you arrive, locate and click on the catalog option. This page contains the various widgets Elfsight offers. Scroll down or search to find the audio player widget and click on it. This widget acts as the foundation for streaming audio content on your Canva site. Next, you will see several templates. Pick one that aligns with your website's style and functionality. After selecting your template, click on Continue with this template. This will open the customization page. Here, you can modify your audio tracks. To do this, delete the current track by clicking the three dots next to it and choosing Delete. This lets you clear out any default tracks that do not fit your content. Now that you have a clean slate, click on Add Tracks. This allows you to upload your own audio files, such as music or podcasts. After uploading, go to the player settings. You have multiple options here to customize the player. For example, you can enable autoplay so the audio starts when someone visits your site. Just be sure to check best practices for autoplay as it can impact user experience. Once you are happy with the setup, click Publish. This makes the widget live. You can proceed by choosing the free plan if it suits your needs. Then, click on Share Link and copy the provided URL. Now, it is time to put this audio player into your Canva website. Open your design in Canva and, in the left panel, click on Apps. In the search bar, type Embed and select the Embed tool. Paste the link you copied from Elfsight here. Once the link is added, click Add to Design to place the player on your canvas. You might need to resize the player to fit your website's layout. Adjust the dimensions so it looks good and fits your site's visual style. There you go, a working audio player on your Canva website. This helps you connect with your audience through sound. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you improve your content. Happy creating!